Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options and Play video update. Definitely a busy day, earnings wise. Tesla may have been the most talked about, biggest company reporting, but there was a lot of interesting names outside of that. It was kind of a busy day for commodity related stocks, and there was some good, but also there was some not so good. All right, and it seems as though the not so good has kind of won out in the sense that it's really taken a toll on a lot of different areas within the commodity landscape. All right, now the commodity trades, and this is something we've been talking about all year. It's like, you know, you keep dancing while the music's playing, and when the music stops, just make sure you have exits on the way out, right? I don't know if the music has stopped, but what I do know is that some of these names have started to lose some upper trend or upper levels and lose some key trend support areas, right? So now for these types of plays, so FCX, right? This is like a stock that now is more like wait and see. Like it needs to demonstrate that buyers are going to step in and defend prices because since the middle of February, the 50-day has been the level. It's obviously well below the 50-day, and now it seems to have a path to the 100-day. But these are the things, right? You need to look out for. It's like when the trend breaks, then you don't want to try to pick the bottom. You want to wait to make sure the stock stabilizes, holds, and then indicates that it might be ready to turn back up. Alcoa is a name we were just looking at for a trade, right? Held the 50-day perfectly, 50-day perfectly, 50-day perfectly. Earnings today blew through it. It's getting hit very, very hard, right? So, yes, it may have seen the top for the year, but it also might just be a deeper pullback, right? But what we are watching now is can it stabilize? Does it hold the 100-day? Does it start to form like a week, 2 week, 3 week base, right? Can it start to turn back up and reset the 50-day? Because I don't want I don't want to assume that these things are just going to go back up because this is a very unusual trading environment for commodities, right? I mean, there's a lot going on and been a lot of crazy runs and a lot of huge moves on the commodities. So I don't know where the bottom is going to be. When the trend breaks, I'm going to watch, wait, let the stock tell me where the bottom is, and then I'm going to, really kind of focus on like the next setup whenever that comes. There are some things that are still holding, right? Like XLE. Energy stocks, for the most part, are hanging around. The big names are hanging in there, right? So you can see, I mean, XLE is into the 20-day. Pretty ugly day today, but it is holding. It's still technically in that trend. So these are things you can try to stick with, but, in the back of your mind, you realize that there are some names starting to break down. There is some weakness in the commodity area, right? So maybe you want to start tightening stops on some of these or start taking money off a little bit more aggressively because there is some selling. It's not in everything. I mean, it is definitely, more broad today, but these are things you kind of want to start taking note of, right? If the XLE loses a 20-day, what's the next level? The 50-day, and that's a good ways below. So, um, I don't want to I don't want to say like get out, rush for the exit. I just want to say like, time to start exercising some caution. There's enough signs popping up to say that okay, maybe these things are due for a little bit deeper of a correction. So I'm watching, I'm waiting. I'm going to let the stocks dictate the action, and then when I see signs that maybe they're the bottom is in and they're ready to turn the corner, then maybe we'll start revisiting for trades. Okay. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about swing trading with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night, stay well, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow.